Did you know that you can change your iPhone battery color? Let me show you how. So this is how you change your battery color in iPhone. Go to settings, go to accessibility, scroll down, pre-app settings, add app, home screen and app library. So once you go in, you see smart invert. So it says smart invert reverses the colors of the display except for images, media and some apps that use dark color styles. So go there and press on. So you don't see any white bars there. It has changed to white now. So if you go out, you see the black. Now when you turn on low power mode, you can see, go to settings, see the color has changed to blue. Switch it off and it's back to yellow. And when you charge the phone, the color changes to pink or magenta, you can call it. This is how you do it. If you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Apple tips videos, and also let's experience Apple ecosystem together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.